Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog of my channel. As you can see from the thumbnail of the video that this video is about my visit to Camp Nou Museum or FC Barcelona Museum. So last week of August, I was at Spain to attend the conference, and on 28th of August, I have visited the Camp Nou Museum. Camp Nou Museum tour is a 1-hour tour which is available from morning 9:30 till afternoon 6 o'clock. Tickets are available in both online and offline mode. Price of the basic ticket is €28, which includes visiting the museum and the reconstruction view of Camp Nou. If you are a student, then you can get some discount. So we got the ticket in €21. এটা কি ভাই 1990 কোপাটেলে এতগুলো আছে এটা কি এই তো UEFA এটা 22-23 এটা ফিমেল ও যে ইমেল Victor Valdez. I have just visited the Football Club Barcelona Museum. You know, it was amazing. I mean, if you are a Football Club Barcelona fan and if you are in Barcelona, the first thing you should do is that you should watch a match. That I have already done and I will show you in a video. And the second thing you must do is that you should come to Camp Nou and you should visit the museum. Camp Nou you can't view now because Camp Nou is under reconstruction, so we can't visit the Camp Nou, but this museum you should visit. I mean, if you are a Barcelona fan, Football Club Barcelona fan, you must visit the museum. All the trophies that they have, you know, won over the history of the game, and you know, all the Champions League, Copa del Rey, La Liga, everything is stored in the museum, and especially all the Ballon d'Or that Lionel Messi has won. There is a separate section for that, and it's worth visiting this particular museum.